Meera Chopra is a cousin of Priyanka Chopra.
Is she? You are?
Am I? Oh,
Yeah,
thank you.
जब ये
so much.
sentence सुनते हैं
Priyanka used to make a call to all the
A
producers.
lot of respect was given to me.
मेरी sister आ रही है set पे, better behave yourself.
क्या ऐसा ही होता था? Hello people and welcome to the show. My name is Vivek and today on Conversation with me I have 1920 London key cast. I have Meera and Sherman. Welcome guys, how are you?
Very well, thank you for having us.
You're having coffee right now.
Black coffee, yeah.
Okay, are you fond of coffees?
I love coffee.
What about you?
I like coffees but not black.
It's very refreshing, right?
Yes, coffee.
If you talk about your role in 1920, you're known for your comic timing and your erotic thriller. Hate Story 3 has done superbly well on box office, and this is now you're ready to scare people with your horror. So how is it? I mean, like, why 1920?
Yeah, not with my horror actually. There's a witch in the film who's creating the horror, thankfully, and I am kind of the one who's playing the role of an exorcist.
Okay.
So I am trying to calm down that witch. 1920 London is the third installment of a very successful franchise,
Yes.
1920. 1920 being the era that these stories are always set
Okay.
in. London happens to be the city we've shot this film,
Okay.
and so 1920 London. It's a supernatural thriller and a film which also has a very intense and complex love story.
The film has already started getting so many responses. I mean, like the YouTube, if you see, the tweets, if you see. So, how do you feel when your film gets such good, such good response from the audience as well?
You always feel great and glad that your labor of love. Each one of us has put in that much work. Team of Suresh Desai, Vikram Bhatt, the writer of the story, Reliance, all of us actors, we've all given it our best, and we had a good feeling about this.
Okay.
And now that it's out there, the trailers and the songs, and people are reacting very well to that, and we are feeling glad and we're feeling gratified, and I assure you the movie will offer you much more than that.
Definitely. Meera, let me talk about your role in the film, right? First of all, this flick, I mean, like this 1920 London, you signed it prior to Gangs of Ghosts,
Yes.
right?
I
So this
signed
was
it before
supposed to
that
be.
and I started working on it before.
Mhm.
So yeah. It's
So
a
this
very
was
special
supposed to be
movie
your
for me.
debut film.
It's a very special movie for me because whatever you sign first in
Mhm.
any
Mhm.
industry becomes a very special
Yeah.
project. It's very close to my heart, and this was the first movie which was offered to me when I came to Bollywood. So I'm emotionally very connected to it, and I hope we have worked very hard on this movie. Everybody, as Sherman said, everybody had a very good feeling about it. And now when that feeling is coming true, now when we are getting a very good response on songs, on the trailer,
True.
you feel that your work has been done, justified. So it's a very, very happy feeling.
मीरा एक बेचारी सी लड़की है फिल्म में जिसके
I know.
हस्बैंड को पोजेस हो गया है वो,
रोती रहती है,
ठीक है
भागती रहती है, उसको बचाने के लिए डरती रहती है.
और शर्मन उनकी हेल्प कर रहे हैं
जी.
राइट
Become
और
yes.
आपका रोल क्या है और किस तरीके से आपने इस रोल के लिए प्रिपेयर किया अपने आप को?
एक्सिस का रोल है. इट्स अ गाय, मतलब उसको he's professionally does this job of किसी को भी कुछ evil spirits या ghost से कोई परेशान है, he comes and ghost buster
Okay.
जिसे कहते हैं. Meera is troubled for her husband who is possessed right now with the spirit, and I come into play over there. My character's name is Jai Singh Rathod, also known as Mewad ka Baba.
Gosh, it sounds so heavy.
Yeah,
Mewad
it's-
kebab.
It is very heavy.
That's just one off thing. Don't worry, it's nothing as intense as Mewad Kebab. It is Jai Singh Rathod for all of you, and yeah, it's a character because I said it's an intense, complex love story. So effectively, this character has many shades which I had to kind of portray. It's the growth of his personality from himself to being someone else who's not that good to being someone else who you'll have to figure whether he's
So
good or
इस
bad.
मूवी में भी क्या आप अपनी शर्ट वर्ट उतारे जैसे Hate Story 3 में आपने किया
नहीं,
है?
अनफॉर्चुनेटली इस मूवी में मौका नहीं मिला, लेकिन आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट मूवी जहाँ मुझे ये
Girls are going to miss that.
Yeah, girls are going to miss that, but with the shirt also I think
Of course,
it
you look
should,
very.
work out.
I would say dishy.
They'll get a lot of other things.
मीरा, आपका जो रोल है इस फिल्म में, जैसे कि आपने बताया कि आप इधर उधर भाग रही हैं अपने हस्बैंड को बचाने के लिए, इसके अलावा और क्या चैलेंजिंग पार्ट थे एंड देन किस तरीके से आपने प्रिपेयर किया अपने रोल के लिए?
For me, the most challenging part about this role was it's a complete contrast to my own personality.
Okay.
तो जब तुम कोई ऐसा रोल करते हो जैसे तुम बिल्कुल नहीं हो, so it automatically becomes very difficult for you to do it. But having said that, we were shooting in London almost for 40 days, and we were shooting almost 18-20 hours per day. ठंड थी बहुत, और most of the times डरना होता था, बहुत ज़्यादा डरना होता था, बहुत ज़्यादा रोना होता था. तो वो एक बहुत बड़ा challenge होता है that you have to do that.
But the best part of doing these period drama, I would say that you get to wear such good costumes, so those gowns and everything, and how does it feel?
When you wear those when you wear those heavy jewelry, gown, saris, and then when you have to run around in track, it's not a very good feeling, believe me. I would rather do that in jeans and t-shirt. So yeah, it looks very pretty on screen, and especially our movie, Prakash Kutty sir, the DOP of the movie. The each and every frame looks like a painting. He has shot it very well. Tinu has shown London the way London has never shown before. The locations where we have shot, they are very different to what London has been shown before.
इसके लोकेशंस की अगर बात करें तो ऑन सेट कभी ऐसा हुआ हो कि कुछ स्कैरी मोमेंट रहा हो? और सुनने में तो ये भी आया था कि सेट में कुछ भूत थे शायद, मतलब होटल में ऐसा कुछ. क्या इंसिडेंट था वो?
मतलब वी आर नॉट रेफरिंग टू अस ना.
नहीं,
एक दिन वन इवनिंग व्हेन वी हैड अ नाइट शूट थी ग्रेवयार्ड में, लंदन के किसी ग्रेवयार्ड में. तो उस दिन इट वाज अ लिटिल weird, and it was a little strange how we could not pull off the shoot that night. It started pouring, which was not expected, but London is known for that weather. Okay, yes. That's all right. But about the generator, which conked off, and every time it got on, the next half an hour it was conking off. And we called for replacements and a few more, and it all didn't work out. And by the time we couldn't get it together actually. By then it was already morning, and eventually we had to shot that cemetery scene on a set here in Mumbai.
Okay.
So we thought that there is somebody out there who doesn't want us to shoot.
At least in that cemetery possibly.
So yeah, we couldn't shoot that.
I get scared when you talk about ghosts and all.
You do?
Yeah.
You get scared?
I'm sure you won't watch a movie.
No, definitely I'm going to go and watch. Whenever I go with someone, their hands are like with the nails marked and everything. Yes, I
so you
know
go
that.
with a girl or a boy?
I go with group of my friends because I'm the loudest one to shout whenever it is a horror film. मूवी शूट करने के दौरान आप लोगों ने पहले ही एक फिल्म ऑलरेडी की हुई है, तो इसमें तो और ज्यादा फिर केमिस्ट्री ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व हुई होगी, एंड देन ज्यादा मस्ती हुई होगी. तो ऑन सेट प्रैंकस्टर कौन था आप लोगों में से?
You know what? We've had a lot of fun, yes, for sure. Because we shot in London and Leeds mostly for about 30 odd days, 35 days put together. And Leeds is such a gorgeous countryside town, which is about 2-3 hours from London, and we really loved the place, all of us.
All of us, we were in love with that.
We were living in that main square, which pretty much was the life of that town, and bars, restaurants, cafes, and you just go for a walk. And because it was also compact, you had a sense of ownership of it. You knew the place by the third day. If you do a couple of walks up and down in the 2 days, the third day you know the place in and out. So it was so much fun, like stepping out. We said, okay, now this lane and that lane, and we could get to the bar that we wanted to, and we didn't have to ask anyone. So a lot of time spent over there with the rest of the team. Vishal, who's part of this film, Sushmita ji. We had some evenings together, all of us, and had some great times here.
And the whole unit of 1920 was very young. And from the director to DOP, Vishal, V. Sharman. I mean, it was a very young and vibrant unit. So on set itself, it was a lot of fun because everybody was on the same page. And then later we would try our best to finish the shoot ASAP so that we could go out and have dinner and look for good places. Good. So yeah, the whole it was a very heavy movie to shoot. But then because of the whole unit, it became really fun.
And it became light and fun to shoot with.
Yes.
आपने कभी रियल लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया है, something like ghosts or this evil spirit? Do you believe in ghosts first of all?
I want to believe it. I don't believe it.
You want to believe it?
I want to believe it because I've heard so many stories about it. I'm sure other stories have कुछ सच्चाई भी होगी. But then I've never experienced anything. And I am a kind of a person, till the time I won't see anything, I won't believe it. So yeah, I want to believe it, but I want to experience it to believe it.
What about you, Sharman? Do you believe in ghosts?
I believe in ghosts, but I've never experienced any supernatural kind of an experience. My grandmother tells me stories, so she being in the village and she coming across some spirits and some sort of sightings, but not like interaction or any such thing. But one has heard such stories. It's Indian. It's in our culture. We all as kids have heard stories
That's
from
true,
our
yeah.
India is all
grandfather,
about,
grandmother, mothers,
stories.
fathers. All these fables or sometimes actual experiences. But you actually don't have an encounter. I guess it's a little tough to believe, but I do believe that they possibly exist, and I wouldn't be surprised if I came across one.
अच्छा, इस फिल्म का जो गाना है गुमनाम है कोई, एक पुरानी मूवी से 20 साल बाद से लिया गया गाना है. उस टाइम भी ये सुपरहिट था और इस तरीके से जिस हस्की वॉइस से सिंगर ने गाया है, इट हैज बिकम द टॉप चार्ट बस्टर्स एंड रोल इन दे अगेन. सो व्हिच वन इज योर फेवरेट?
Mine is Roll Ere. I mean, I am completely obsessed with that song. It's very my kind of a song.
Mine is Ruthaku. There's a song
It
that's still to
hasn't
come
come
out.
out yet.
Okay.
It's going to come out soon, and I really like that song. And I also like Roll Ende. I actually also like Afreen, which is a great song.
Okay.
That's shot on Vishal and Meera, and it's been shot beautifully. I love the song, and Gumnaam, of course. Gumnaam is an old classic. It has
It's a
Yes,
cult.
you know.
I mean, it's a cult song. I mean, you have to like it.
Yeah. So
आपकी
kind of-
पिछली फिल्म में भी एक पुराना गाना यूज किया गया था.
Yeah, that's
ना, और
what,
इसमें भी
that's
ऐसा.
kind of become the trend nowadays. Remixes happening, old songs being
And it
picked up.
still works.
And it works.
Yeah.
It works, and it's enjoyable because I enjoy them myself. So yeah.
आप साउथ से बॉलीवुड में आए, बॉलीवुड ने आपको बहुत प्यार दिया, काफ़ी अच्छे से वेलकम किया. क्या डिफरेंस पाया आपने साउथ की फिल्मों में यहाँ पर? मैंने एक जगह पढ़ा था आपका इंटरव्यू, तब आपने कहा था कि साउथ की फिल्मों में बहुत ज़्यादा वैरायटी नहीं होती है और यहाँ पर इट्स लाइक यू गेट सो मच ऑफ वैरायटी एंड ऑल.
I think now, I honestly feel this is a golden period of Bollywood. A lot of new filmmakers, corporates coming in. People are experimenting with new ideas. So for newcomers, it is the best place to be here because बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑफर होती हैं तुम्हें. साउथ में अभी तक ऐसा नहीं है. They've been doing the same thing, I would say. But that was not the problem. For me, the real change from South to Bollywood was like I felt more at home here. Like I was working with my own people. I could understand what they were talking. They could understand what I was talking. In South, language is a huge barrier, and I'm not very good in picking up languages. So at times I was working with people जहाँ पे मेरे को उनकी भाषा नहीं समझ आती. 200 लोगों का यूनिट होता था, and I wouldn't understand anything. Why looking at me like that?
मैं ऐसे सोच रहा हूँ
कभी-कभी-
तुम्हारे बारे में कुछ बुरा भला बोलते होंगे तो you have
हाँ,
no
मेरे
idea.
दिमाग में यही चल रहा था कि आपके बारे में अगर कुछ.
But हम लोग
idea.
इस फिल्म में भी तुम्हारे बारे में बोल रहे थे, but you had no idea.
क्या था यार इनके बारे में ऐसा बुरा सा बोलने के लिए?
मजाक कर रहा हूँ. हाँ, तो फिर next question.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये
Before she
है,
gets hassled with me.
बॉलीवुड से अब हॉलीवुड में भी कदम रख रहे हैं आप. द जर्नलिस्ट मूवी
जी,
आ रही है,
जी.
उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताएं.
Journalists, too early to talk about it, but it's an English film. It's based on
The Odisha event incident that happened.
Odisha incident that happened in Grand Saints, and I am playing the role of an Indian journalist whose eye the entire story is kind of told.
Okay.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Meera Chopra is a cousin of.
मुझे भी Hollywood जाना है.
हाँ,
हाथ पकड़ के साथ साथ जाएंगे जब गैंग्स ऑफ घोस्ट्स साथ किया है. इसके बाद अभी नेक्स्ट फिल्म भी साथ में इंशाल्लाह, राइट?
inshallah, yeah.
Inshallah.
मीरा चोपड़ा इज अ कजन ऑफ प्रियंका चोपड़ा.
Is she?
Is
You
she-
are?
Am I? Oh,
Yeah,
thank
जब
you.
ये सेंटेंस सुनते हैं तो एक प्रेशर फील करते
मैंने तो नहीं
हैं.
सुना. ऐसी मजाक कर.
No,
Please.
there's no pressure, honestly. In fact, I've got all perks of being Priyanka's cousin. I was never treated as a newcomer. When I came to Bombay, I was treated very nicely. Lot of
Because
respect.
Priyanka used to make a call to all the
A
producers.
lot of
and
respect
like,
was given to me.
मेरी सिस्टर आ रही है सेट पे, better behave yourselves.
क्या ऐसा ही होता था?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता था. पर सबको पता था, जब अगर चाहिए भी होता था तो
नहीं, बट एक स्टार किड्स के ऊपर भी ये प्रेशर रहता है कि यार हमें उस लेवल तक रीच करना है जहाँ तक हमारे पेरेंट्स थे. तो अब जब आपकी बहन है तो आपको भी क्या
बिल्कुल रीच नहीं करना, क्योंकि मैं रीच कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ.
और इससे
तो मैंने अपने दिमाग में वो पागल का फितूर नहीं बिठाया हुआ जो पॉसिबल नहीं है. प्रियंका हैज ऑलवेज बीन वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग एंड फोकस्ड. I can never match up to that level. I know it for good that that's not possible. So I don't even have those dreams. She has always been a path breaker. So let her be a path breaker. I'll do whatever little I can.
अच्छा, बहुत सारा हेडलाइंस में ऐसा भी आया था that I share good rapport with Priyanka Chopra but not with Parineeti.
I'm definitely not very close to Parineeti, but I'm extremely close to Priyanka. So, but yeah, there's वो media में they blow things out.
I know.
So that's exactly what
How they
happens.
create the controversy.
In families, you are more closer to certain. अपने थोड़े कदम
That's
से
true.
तुम ज़्यादा close
Yes.
होते हो.
So one thing that we don't know about Priyanka that you want to tell us.
I don't know if people know, but Priyanka is a very she's a very homely and grounded girl. जब तुम उसके घर में जाओगे और उसको घर में देखोगे तो तुम imagine भी नहीं कर पाओगे कि this is what Priyanka Chopra is. This is Priyanka Chopra which people see outside. I mean she's a very normal, homely and a very grounded girl. वो Priyanka Chopra वाला persona उसके अंदर है ही नहीं. At least
Okay.
we guys can't see it when we meet her. And when we see her pictures and everything we see is we you know we feel is this the same girl?
Okay.
So there are two different Priyankas I feel
Oh.
for the world and for home.
It happens with, I guess, with most of the people that outside who we voted something else and then, you know, our inner side or at family we are someone else.
Maybe I mean she's the only superstar I know. I don't
Yes,
know.
she is
I don't know
indeed a superstar.
anybody else. So, yeah.
शर्मन, हेट स्टोरी 3 जो थी इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एरोटिक सीन्स थे. अगर हेट स्टोरी 4 की बात की जाए तो डेफिनेटली एक स्टेप तो आगे हो गई. तो अगर वो आपको ऑफर की जाती तो आप करेंगे?
मैं जरूर करूँगा.
अच्छा, आपने ये भी कहा है कि मैं सेक्स कॉमेडी मुझे देखना बहुत पसंद है लेकिन मैं करना नहीं चाहूँगा. लेकिन अब नाउ यू आर इन दैट जोन वेयर यू आर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. सो डू यू वांट टू डू अ सेक्स कॉमेडी एज वेल?
फिलहाल नहीं, बट डिपेंडिंग मतलब अगर थोड़ी मैच्योर टाइप की सेक्स कॉमेडीज आएगी विद सम फ्लेयर एंड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सब्सटेंस टू इट, तो फिर करूँगा. अदरवाइज नॉट इन द वे वी आर टेम्पटिंग विद राइट नाउ. इट्स नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी. देयर इज एन ऑडियंस एंड आई लाइक गोइंग एंड वाचिंग दोस फिल्म्स, बट आई डोंट नो इफ आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, नॉट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, बट नेवर से नेवर. सो आई डोंट नो.
आपकी जो फिल्म है मतलब अभी बॉलीवुड में ये आपकी सेकंड फिल्म है, तो एक ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म है जिसका आप पार्ट बनना चाहती हैं, यू नो, कि काश ये रोल मैंने मतलब ये रोल मुझे भी करना चाहिए, ऐसा रहा?
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
क्लासिक्स में से भी कोई भी नहीं?
No.
ओके.
जो मिलेगा उसमें से मैं बेस्ट चीज़ कर लूँगी. ड्रीम्स नहीं है इतनी ज़्यादा.
अब तक की जो आपने रोल किया उसमें से बेस्ट आपको आपका परफॉर्मेंस किस पे लगा?
3 Idiots.
सारी फिल्मों में
दैट्स गुड. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू हियर.
पूरा जान लगा देती है. वो कोई पिक्चर पसंद आती है, कोई कैरेक्टर कम पसंद आता है. दैट रियली डिपेंड्स ऑन, यू नो, इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ टीम वर्क. But I think I put in my 100% for every character, and
That's
each
true.
film, each character that I play is my baby, and it's very close to my heart.
अभी हम लोग एक फटाफट रैपिड फायर राउंड करेंगे, ठीक है? जो भी चीज़ पहले दिमाग में आती है आपको वो बोलना है, ठीक है? माई फेवरेट हॉलिडे डेस्टिनेशन इज
London,
आई एम एडिक्टेड टू.
coffee.
This scares me the most.
My baby is being hurt.
Oh,
The best part of 1920 London is
Meera, and me, and Vishal, and Sushmita, and Tinu Desai, and Vikram Bhatt.
my
No,
co-star.
also Prakash Kutti, great cinematography.
My
And of
co-star.
course, Reliance
Yeah.
Cinemas.
My co-star Meera Chopra.
Exotic.
Okay. Wow.
क्या बात.
अगर आपको इन लोगों को डराना, मीन्स इन लोगों का मैं नाम ले रहा हूँ, अगर ये किस चीज़ से डरते हैं तो आपको क्या लगता है किस चीज़ से डरते हैं? सलमान खान.
अगर बेड के नीचे से कोई सडनली चिल्लाएगा तो ही गेट्स स्कैर्ड.
ओके. कंगना रनावत.
अगर कोई लॉयर उनके दरवाजे पे नॉक करेगा तो शी गेट्स स्कैर्ड.
ओ माय गॉड. प्रियंका चोपड़ा.
आई डोंट नो, शी विल नो बेटर.
सनी लियोन.
उसको क्यों डराऊं मैं?
Superpowers that these people should have. Vikram Bhatt
शुड हैव.
should have.
अच्छा.
अरे तो बड़ा मैं नहीं खेल रही है. rapid fire. मैं ऑलरेडी चिकन आउट कर रही हूँ.
तो मेक अ सुपर पावर फिल्म
Okay.
और सुपर हीरो फिल्म.
And you were the part of it.
That's boring answer. Sorry, I don't know what
बनाई
super
थी,
power.
Mr.
बनाई थी. Oh, so then not that. Then something else. Mr. X was a superhero.
Yeah.
Invisible or something.
Invisible.
Okay.
Tinu Suresh.
Oh.
Superpower that he should have.
Hmm.
He's actually really gifted. He doesn't need anything. He's all there. Yeah. May God be with him and he continue his focus and hard
He's a
work.
Superman.
And Rohit Shetty.
Rohit Shetty.
वो तो बहुत कार बार उड़ाते हैं तो उनको तो उड़ने का ही सुपर पावर होना चाहिए.
superpower.
वो खुद ही सुपरमैन बन जाए.
उनको सुपर पावर. हाँ, खुद ही सुपरमैन बन जाए.
So thanks.
Thank you.
अभी इस बार आप इनको हेल्प नहीं करें. Are you ready?
मैं तो चिकन आउट कर जाऊंगी.
अरे please, yeah.
अगर मुझे नहीं करोगे, I start crying. No, come on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, my favorite holiday destination
New
is.
York.
I'm addicted to.
Food.
This scares me the most.
Kide Makode.
The best part of 1920 London is
1920 London. Everything.
my co-star Sharman.
Classy.
Good. These people get scared of what? Salman Khan,
Shadi.
Kangna Ranaut.
Correct, that's the right answer. Yes. I said me.
I think she's too strong and bold to be scared of anything. I genuinely feel that.
Okay. Priyanka Chopra.
How you feel like that?
Because वो बिंदास है, वो कुछ भी बोलती है, कुछ भी करती है. And I love that about her.
Priyanka Chopra.
I think failure. She has not seen it, and I'm sure if she sees it, she won't like it.
Sunny Leone.
I don't know. I don't know. Sunny Leone would be scared of what? I don't know.